to, but we hope you're watching these videos and learning at home. Okay, so for today's project, we are going to be measuring tubes. So try to go find a toilet paper roll and a paper towel roll.
Either or is fine.
Either or is fine. If you have both, that's even better. If you find a ruler in your house, that might be helpful so we could measure and see the numbers. Or if you have a toy that kind of measures, like we have in our Dramatic Play Center, you can use that as well. So today for the lesson, we went around the room and we searched for toys that we can use to measure in case you don't have a ruler or you don't have access to measuring materials. So today we are going to use Legos to measure the different size tubes. I'm gonna start with the toilet paper roll first. Are we gonna do it together?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have Legos. So I'm going to put one Lego exactly next to it. Try to line it up.
I have a smaller Lego.
Oh, so Miss Santos is using what? A square. And Miss Chofi is using a rectangle. Now that I added this other rectangle, does that match my toilet paper roll? What do you think, Miss Santos?
I don't know. I don't think so.
It looks like it goes a little bit too far. So I don't think I can use that.
Oh,
what could I use?
Do you want to borrow one of my squares?
Can I please borrow a square?
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you, Miss Santos. You're so
welcome.
kind. Oh, wow. Is that exact? Did I just measure that?
I think so.
I used one rectangle like Lego and one square Lego. Do you have two Legos too?
I sure do, but I think I need another one because it's still too short.
Oh, you're
Still doesn't
right.
measure. Maybe I'll grab another square. Let's see if that works. Do you think that measures out my toilet roll?
I do. Let me see. I do. I see 1, 2, 3 squares, and I see one rectangle and one square. Do you see how we're using different materials to measure our stuff? We also went to the block center and got people. Do you want to try to measure with people now?
Sure.
See how many people it takes? I think I'm going to move on to the paper towel roll for the people because we seem to have a lot of people. So 1, 2,
3.
Remember, you can use any object that you have at home. It doesn't have to be the people or the Legos. We're just trying to show you the concept, and you can go around in your own house and find objects that you can use to measure. You got it?
I sure do.
All right, let's see. What do you have, Miss Ann?
I have 1, 2, 3 people that measure out my toilet roll.
And I
How
have...
many do you have?
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, but they measure out something different. They measure out the paper towel roll. So 6 people for the paper towel roll and
3 people for the toilet roll.
wow. Do you want to try to measure one more time?
Yeah, let's do that.
Okay. I'm going to put my people away.
Thank you.
And we found in the math center, we have pegs. So I'm going to go back to the back to the toilet paper roll and use pegs to measure this one.
And I will go to the paper towel.
I'm going to get a few. I'm going to I'm undoing some of my friend's work.
Uh-oh.
Sorry, guys. So I'm going to need one. Oh, I think I have it. Oh, you're going to measure like that? I want to measure like you.
Okay.
I connected mine, but we couldn't do it like that. Oh, I like that better. Okay. Ooh. Got it. Okay, so how many pegs did you use?
Let's see. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6
Wow.
pegs for my paper towel roll. How about you, Miss Trophy?
Well, I used a different roll. I used a toilet paper roll, so mine's not as big as yours. So I only needed 1, 2 pegs for the toilet paper roll and 6 for the paper towel roll. You know what that makes me think? When I used the paper towel roll before, I needed 6 people. Do you remember that?
Yes, I remember.
Wow.
Wow.
I needed 6 people and now you just used 6 pegs. How interesting is that?
Interesting.
So boys and girls, when you are done doing this activity, make sure you send pictures on Google Classroom or Class Dojo so I can see what you use to measure your paper towel roll or your toilet paper roll, and I can also see what objects you use that you have at home that we might not even have in the classroom. Thanks guys, have a great day. See you soon.